Hello class, today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to get to Math Playground and just the type of games that I really want you to play. But first we're going to start with Google. Start at Google, and when you get to Google, you're going to type in Math Playground. So you're going to push enter. Now when you push enter, it should be the first one that shows up. It should say Math Playground, and it should say underneath mathplayground.com. So we want to click on that. So when you click on Math Playground, it takes you to the home page. And this is what it looks like. So we want to click on multiplication and division games. And when you click on that, you'll see all these games. Now, these are the kinds of games I would like you to play. I would recommend Meteor Multiplication. I tried this one out earlier. It was wonderful. I can show you an example. I'll play it. So I'll take you here. So once you get here, at the bottom it says Meteor Multiplication, and it also says the multiplication meteors are coming closer. Can you save the day? Practice multiplication facts and keep our planet safe. So after you read that, you click play, and you want to read this, and click next, next. Okay. So there's stages 1 through 6, and you have 1 minute to play. So I'll play. So there's a 6 in the middle, right? So you want to figure out what's 1 times 6. That's 6. So there's 10. You got to figure out what would make 10. Well, not 2 times 4, that's 8. So 2 times 5. Okay, so I just showed you an example of that game. There's really any kind of game that you can play on here. It's all educational. I don't want no playing around or anything. Just click on any of these games and it'll really help you. You can also click grade 3. When you click on grade 3, it of course takes you to math games and activities. But it doesn't take you to just multiplication and division. It has like all kinds of different subjects. Well, not subjects, but different categories within math that you can practice. But I'd rather you stick to the multiplication and division. But if you want to click on grade 3 and just play grade 3 games, I'm fine with that. So another site that you can go and visit would probably be abccia.com. This is a great website that we can use to advance your just educational purposes in math. When you get here, you're going to click on grade 3, and you're going to click on numbers, and the ones I want you to go to is Clear It Multiplication, Division Drag Erase, and you can do Mathlon's multiplication if you'd like, but those two up here, where is it? Clear It Multiplication and Division Drag Erase are the main ones I want you to focus on for this one. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'd love to help you. So after this video, just raise your hand, and I would gladly help you.